everyone, welcome back to English Ember. I'm really happy you're here today. I'm Ella.
And I'm James. Hey, Ella. And hello to all our friends watching from different places around the world. Oh, wow, it's so good to see you again.
Oh yeah, James, quick question for you. Are you planning any trips this year?
Actually, yes. I'm planning to visit Japan in the spring. I'm so excited. What about you? Oh, wait a second. Did you notice something in our conversation just now?
What's up, James?
We just started talking about travel plans without even thinking about it, right? It's such a common conversation topic.
Oh, I know, travel plans. Everyone loves talking about where they're going.
Yes, travel. We talk about it so much in everyday English.
Yeah. Where are you going? When are you leaving? How long will you stay? And the funny thing is, talking about travel is one of the easiest ways to practice English.
So today, we're talking about travel plans, how to discuss your trips, your destinations, and your adventures in natural English.
Every day, people ask about travel. Are you going anywhere? Do you have any trips planned? These questions are so common.
Yes, travel conversations are simple, very natural, and very everyday English.
So don't worry, we'll go slow, we'll use real examples, and we'll help you talk about travel step by step.
All right, let's start. Let's learn how to talk about your travel plans in real, everyday English.
James, when people talk about travel, what are the most important things to discuss?
Yeah, that's a great question. And don't worry, it's actually very simple. When you talk about travel, you usually discuss three main things: where you're going, when you're going, and what you'll do there.
Where, when, and what? Okay, that sounds manageable.
Exactly. For example, where? You might say, I'm going to Paris, or we're planning to visit Thailand.
Oh yeah, I'm planning to go to California this summer. I can't wait.
That sounds amazing, and that's very natural English. We say, I'm going to California, not I will go to California in casual talk.
So I'm going to already sounds more real, more everyday.
Right? Now, the second thing is when. For example, I'm going in July, or we're leaving next month.
Oh, I like that. Talking about timing is so important for travel.
Exactly. And the third thing is what you'll do. You can say, I'm going to visit museums, or we're planning to go hiking.
Oh, wow. So where, when, and what? Those are the three basics.
Yes, because English speakers love talking about travel. It's exciting, it's interesting, and it's perfect for conversation, especially when meeting new people or catching up with friends.
So talking about travel plans is not hard at all. It's just how people really connect and share their excitement.
That's right. If you want to sound natural in English, knowing how to discuss travel is really helpful.
So now that we know we talk about where, when, and what, let's slow down a bit and go into the details. And first, let's start with the most common question.
All right, the first question is, where are you going, right?
Yes, destination. This is probably the first thing people ask about travel. Where are you going? Or where are you planning to go?
Exactly. For example, I can ask you, where are you going on vacation?
I'm going to Los Angeles. I've always wanted to visit California.
See how natural that sounds? I'm going to Los Angeles. Very simple, very clear.
Yeah, that's perfect. And you can also say, I'm planning to visit, or we're thinking about going to.
Right. I'm planning to visit New York, or we're thinking about going to Mexico.
Oh, yeah. Like when you're not 100% sure yet, you say thinking about or planning to.
Exactly. So when someone asks about your destination, just answer with, I'm going to. Very simple, very natural.
Got it? Where are you going? I'm going to. Simple and everyday.
All right, so we've talked about where you're going, and now let's move on to another very important question, and this one is about timing.
Ah, the when question, right?
Yeah, this is super important. People always want to know when you're traveling.
Okay, when? That's about dates and time.
For example, I can ask you, when are you going to Los Angeles?
I'm going in August, right in the middle of summer.
Perfect. You could also say, I'm leaving next month, or we're going at the end of the year.
That's so useful. I'm leaving in June, or we're going this fall. Very natural.
Right? And people also ask, how long are you going for, to know the duration?
Ah, that's nice. So someone might ask, how long will you stay? Or how long are you going for?
Exactly. And you answer, I'm going for a week, or we're staying for 10 days.
Oh, that's very clear. I'm going for 2 weeks, or just for a long weekend.
Same here. So when talking about timing, use in for months, for duration. Very simple, very everyday.
That's right. No grammar stress, just real-life English.
All right, now let's talk about another important part of travel conversations. And this one is about what you'll do there, your activities and plans.
Oh, I like this one. This is the fun part.
Exactly. People love hearing about what you're planning to do on your trip.
Okay, so what kind of things do people say?
For example, you can say, I'm going to visit the Eiffel Tower, or we're planning to try local food.
So we use going to for plans.
Yes, exactly. I'm going to or we're planning to shows your intentions and plans.
Oh yeah, I'm going to visit the beach every day and I'm planning to try surfing.
Yes, that's perfect. You could also say, I want to see the museums, or we hope to go hiking.
See, talking about activities is so natural and exciting.
Right. People love sharing their plans. I want to try sushi in Japan, or we're planning to visit the Grand Canyon.
And you can mention specific activities. Go sightseeing, visit landmarks, try local food.
Oh yes, those phrases. Go sightseeing, go shopping, go hiking, very common.
Exactly. So when someone asks, what will you do there? Just share your exciting plans.
Got it. Talk about activities with going to, planning to, want to, hope to.
Perfect. Now you can share your travel plans and sound like a real English speaker.
All right, now let's look at some common travel phrases you'll hear all the time. These are super useful, and you probably need them for every trip.
Oh, I like that. Travel phrases are so practical.
First one, book a flight. That means reserve your airplane ticket. For example, I need to book a flight to New York.
Yes, book a flight. Book a flight. I always book my flights online now.
Next, pack my bags. This means put your clothes and items in your suitcase. I need to pack my bags tonight.
Oh yeah, pack my bags. I hate packing. I always forget something.
Same here. Then, check in at the hotel. That means register and get your room key. We'll check in at 3 p.m.
Ah, check in. Check in. Like arriving at the hotel and getting your room.
Exactly. And finally, catch a flight. That means board or take a flight. I need to catch an early flight tomorrow.
Yes, catch a flight. I'm catching a flight at 6 a.m. So early.
Perfect. Okay, I think I'm getting these travel phrases.
Great. Now let's put some of these phrases into a short conversation. It'll show you how they really get used in real life.
Let's go. Hey, Ella, when are you leaving for California?
I'm leaving next week. I need to pack my bags this weekend.
Exciting. Did you book your flight already?
Yeah, I booked my flight last month. I'm catching an early morning flight.
Nice. Where will you stay? Did you book a hotel?
Yes, I'm staying at a hotel near the beach. We'll check in on Monday.
That sounds amazing. What are you planning to do there?
I'm going to visit Hollywood and I'm planning to try surfing. So excited.
See, using these phrases makes your travel conversation very natural and casual.
All right, now that we've learned so many ways to talk about travel, let's discuss some common mistakes. Beginners make these all the time, so it's good to be aware.
Oh yes, please. I want to help people avoid these mistakes.
First tip, use I'm going to, not I will go for planned trips in casual conversation.
Ah, so instead of I will go to Paris, I should say I'm going to Paris.
Exactly. I'm going to sounds much more natural and conversational. I will go sounds formal or uncertain.
Oh, like I'm going to Japan next month sounds better than I will go to Japan next month.
Perfect. Second tip, use for when talking about duration. I'm going for a week, not I'm going a week.
Ah, for. I'm staying for 5 days, or we're going for 2 weeks.
Exactly. The for is important. How long are you going for? I'm going for 10 days.
Got it. Always use for with duration.
Third tip, say book a flight, not reserve a flight in everyday English. Book is more common.
Oh, so I need to book a flight sounds more natural than I need to reserve a flight.
Exactly. Book is the word Americans use most. Book a flight, book a hotel, book a rental car.
Perfect. Book, book, book. Got it.
Last tip. When people ask, where are you going, they mean your destination, not where are you going right now.
Ah, so if someone asks, where are you going, they might mean, where are you traveling to, not where are you going right now.
Exactly. Context matters. In travel conversations, it means your trip destination.
Learning travel talk is easy and fun.
Exactly. Keep these tips in mind and your English will sound natural, casual, and very real life.
All right, Ella, now that we've talked about common phrases and mistakes, I think it's a perfect time to go over some key expressions one more time, just to make sure we really remember them.
Oh yes, I love reviewing, especially travel phrases because they're so useful.
Exactly. So let's slow down a bit and repeat some common travel expressions, and you can try them out with me.
Yes, let's go. I'm ready to repeat and practice.
First one, I'm going to. Use this for your destination. Repeat, I'm going to. I'm going to.
I'm going to. I'm going to Paris. I'm going to Mexico. I'm going to Thailand.
Very natural. Next, I'm leaving in. Use this for timing. I'm leaving in June.
I'm leaving in. I'm leaving in. Oh, I'm leaving in 2 weeks. So soon.
Perfect. Third, I'm going for. Use this for duration. I'm going for a week.
I'm going for. I'm going for.
Ah, yes, I'm going for 5 days, or we're staying for 2 weeks.
Exactly. Very natural. Next, book a flight. This means reserve your ticket. I need to book a flight.
Book a flight. Book a flight. Oh, I need to book a flight for my trip next month.
Yes, very real-life English. Finally, what are you planning to do? Ask this to learn about activities.
So I can ask, what are you planning to do in New York? Or what will you do there?
Yes, easy. What are you planning to do?
Yes, and I can answer, I'm planning to visit museums and try New York pizza.
Same here. So remember, everyone, practice these phrases. Use them when talking about travel, and you'll sound really natural.
Got it. Travel talk is easy and so many ways to use these phrases.
Exactly. Keep practicing, and soon you'll talk about travel like a pro.
All right, Ella, we've covered so many ways to talk about travel plans today, and honestly, it's not as hard as it seems.
Yes, travel talk is easy, really. You don't need to remember everything at once. Just take it step by step, and you'll get it naturally.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll feel. Even a little bit every day makes a big difference.
So true. And remember, talking about travel is one of the most fun topics in English.
Yes, and if you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can make more fun, easy English videos for you.
Yeah, and keep practicing. Talk about your travel plans and enjoy English every day.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Safe travels!
Bye, everyone. See you soon.